Hey everybody, Mr. Kirkwald here for all of our sixth grade science people. So I wanted to go through our tasks for today so that we can get all of our information completed for the week and we're ready to start off fresh next week when we're going to start getting ready for our first test. So we have tasks for today. Our first task today is going to be to take all the surveys in our Wednesday and Thursday folders. So what I want you to do for that, and then we're going to complete that scientific method survey lab. So what I want you to do is you're going to go back to September 21st through the 25th. And then if you are a hybrid A person, on Wednesday, you went in and you went into hybrid A or distance person, and you went and clicked on this Google Forms survey and you took everybody's survey in there. On Thursday, yesterday during class, our hybrid B kids did the same thing. So if you're hybrid A, I want you to go into hybrid B on Thursday, and I want you to take their Google Forms surveys here. So you'll click on that and take all of their surveys. So you're going to go into both your Wednesday and your Thursday folders so that you can take everybody's surveys so that they can have some results. Once you've taken all of your Google Forms surveys, then we need to go and complete the scientific method survey. Don't click on this and go and make a copy. Instead, you're going to open a file for your drive and you're going to find scientific method favorite things. And then when you click on it and open it, since this is just my copy, I don't have anything filled out for you. This is where you're going to make sure that you have your question filled in, make sure your research box is filled in, and that you have a hypothesis. Then you're also going to, on the second page, there we go. On the second page, this is where you're going to analyze the results from your survey, hypothesis, true or false, and report results. So you need to open up your survey. So I'm going to make a new tab here, and I'm going to click on my little Google Apps square here. I'm going to scroll down until I see the purple forms and click on that. And then we have access here to all of our Google Forms. So far, I made a bunch of untitled ones when we were going through it. But if I did, like this one, favorite animal, if I click on that, I've got my question here. And then you're going to go in and click on responses. And when you see on responses, you're going to see a big graph here. And that's our graph that we're going to use to analyze our data. So when we come back here, describe what you found out from your survey. Do you need to change anything about your survey? So tell me about the results of your survey. Was there one thing that everybody voted for, or were the results kind of all over the board? What do you think you might want to change if they were all over the board about that? Was your hypothesis true or false? So did you pick the right thing that you thought would win? And then reporting your results, what surprised you? What would you do differently next time? Filling that in. Once you have that done, you do not need to share it with anybody because Ms. Koonsman and I both have access to your science folders. So both of us, for each of our individual classes, we can go in and we'll take a look at those results. So there's no need to share. Once you have this done, it's already taken care of for you, okay? So then, if I go back here into our Friday tasks, I have taken all of the surveys in the Wednesday and Thursday folders. I completed the scientific method lab or survey lab. And if you need to complete the reading assignment, page 18 through 27, you need to go back into your proper day when that was assigned. So that was either Wednesday or Thursday. And you're going to click on that assignment and then finish that. You have 3 attempts on that. So if you click on this and open it, you have 3 attempts. You get to use the Fusion book on the quiz alongside of it. And then just make sure that you're checking for spelling so that that counts. Do your best with that. Make sure that there's no underlined red words when you type them in. That kind of gives you a hint that you spelled that word incorrectly. If you think that you had the right answer but made a mistake, you can email your teacher and they will go in and double check, and if they'll give you a point if something was spelled incorrectly or something like that. But try and do your best to keep spelling correct because you do have those 3 attempts there. So once you have that page 18 through 27 done with a nice grade and you have done all of your survey results for science, you are good to go. and science is good until Monday or Tuesday when we're going to start reviewing for our test. So have a good weekend after you're done with science, and we will see you guys next week.